So for this example, let us consider classes like class 1 as BICE computer, S class label. Class 2, no. So now for data to be classified is, we are considering X value, age less than or equal to 30, income should be medium, student should be S, credit rating should be fair. So first we need to find how many S are there for BICE computer. How many S are there for BICE computer? We have 9 S in this data set. Total we have 14 tuples. So 9 divided by 14. How many nodes are there? 5 nodes are there in BICE computer column. So 5 by total number of tuples 14, we get 0.357. Now we are going to consider a data which we need to classify is, first thing is age less than or equal to 30. For age less than or equal to 30, how many S class labels are there? How many no class labels are there? Let me first count how many S are there. For less than or equal to 30, 1 no. So this is 1. 2 no's. Here less than or equal to 30, 3 no's. Less than or equal to 30, 1 S. Less than or equal to 30, 2 S. So total 3 no's and 2 S, right? Total 3 no's, 2 S. So here, how many S are there? 2 S are there. How many no's are there? 3 no's are there. So how we got 2 by 9 here? 9 total number of S in the data set. 5 total number of no's in the data set. So 2S divided by total number of S class labels, that is equal to 0.222. Total number of for no's, number of no's which have age less than or equal to 30 is 3 divided by total number of no's in the data set, data class label. So 3 by 5, we got 0.6. In the same way, find out for income. Income medium. For income medium, how many S class labels are there? How many no class labels are there? So here income medium, 1 no, 2S, 3S, 4S, 2 no's. So there are 2 no's and 4 S for income as medium. So here 4 S, 2 no's. Similarly, find out for student, similarly, which are S, student S. For student S, 1 S, 2, 1 no, 2 S, 3 S, 4 S, 5 S, 6 S, 6 S and 1 no, right? So here 6 S, 1 no. Same way, credit rating fair. Find out for credit rating fair. How many S class labels are there? How many no class labels are there? 1 no, 1 S, 2 S, 3 S, 2 no's, 4 S, 5 S, 6 S. So total 6 S's and total 2 no's. 6 S's and 2 no's. See here 6 S and 2 no's. We got 0.667 and 0.4. So now after computing all P of X by Ci for each class, we need to find for complete. So where age is less than or equal to 30, income is equal to medium, student is equal to S, credit rating is equal to fair. What is P of X by Ci here? So first P of X by Bayes computer S, P of X by Bayes computer no. For those combinations, for S 0.222 plus or into 0.444 into 0.667 into 0.667 for all S values. We got 0.044. Now find out same for no values. For no, 0.6 into 0.4 into 0.2 into 0.4. We got 0.019. Now we got P of X by Ci values and we need to multiply with P of Ci, probability of Ci, class labels. So first of all, we got P of X by computer with S, that is 0.044, right? We got the value. Okay. Then what is probability of class S? Probability of class is 0.643, right? Multiply both 0.044 into 0.643. We get 0.028. Same as for Bayes computer no. Into P of Bayes computer is equal to no. X by Bayes computer is 0.019 into 0.357. We get 0.07007. Now, if you observe, by comparing these two, like S value, we have 0.028. No value, we have 0.007. If we compare these two, S have highest value. That means, therefore, X belongs to the class S. X belongs to the class Bayes computer is equal to S label. Why? Because S have highest value when compared to the no value.